Hey y'all, it's your girl HHG, and today I'm doing something a little different. Going to pay my respects to a biker friend who has passed away here in South Florida. So they're asking for motorcycles to ride in the motorcade to the funeral service, to the church. I debated really hard because as you can see, it's been raining. But then my guy coach hit me up, sending me pics of the flyer, and I just spoke to him and I got confirmation from someone else. I said I was gonna do it in my mind, so I think I should go through with it. So I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna put on my rain jacket. I ain't got time to put on the rain pants because you know your girl's running late, unfortunately. And I'm gonna go ride this ride, which is only about 10 minutes, so I can handle 10 minutes in some wet conditions. Let me get ready and I'll keep y'all connected. As you can see, I got my full face on. I rarely wear this helmet, but it comes handy in times like this. I got my raincoat on, rain jacket, no pants because it takes a good 7 minutes to put on the pants. So jacket, my riding boots, my full face helmet, we should be good to go. I made it safe and sound. So we're here for a Yamz COD member who passed away. Hello, hello, how are you? Good to see you. Not on the best circumstances, but that's okay. All right, lined up. A lot of bikes came out. I'm glad I didn't chicken out.
You got the built 3.0 or 2.0?
Don't give me the line. I don't even wear it.
I think that's the 2.0.
Okay. It got the Bluetooth. I don't know how to hook it up.
Let's do like I do it right now.
So, okay. So
Yeah,
like my phone?
Yeah, where's your phone? Oh, you want to the bike to the phone? What you want?
Oh.
I mean, cause you can do comms on it as well, but to your phone, just turn your Bluetooth on. All you can do is like this. Press these two buttons. You know how to turn it on, right?
No,
Hit these two buttons, turn it on like this.
Mm-hmm.
Might be dead. Hold on, I hear something. All right, just turn it on. Hello.
So we're gonna do it to the phone.
I gotta put it in. You can put it to the phone. I'm gonna put it on parent mode. Hold on.
So Coach just set me up with the Bluetooth. Let's see if it works. I need somebody to pick up. That is so cool. Let me see. Let me try to call somebody else. My old faithful mother did not pick up. I ain't got nobody to call. People I want to call, they may try to hold conversation. Let me call Sadavia. Okay. Let me call one more person. Ain't nobody picking up. Coach, can I test call you?
Yeah, go ahead.
So stupid. Can you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear. And you want to ride and it buffers, so if you call somebody, they won't even know you on the bike. Yeah,
right.
You don't hear the noise or nothing like that.
Yeah. Go up there and say something. Say something normal. Okay. Thank you. Nice, thank you. outside. It's warming up. The rain has kind of went away. See sunlight.
Come here, Shawty. Come here.
Right.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
That's all you need to do is just slip, girl, and that be me. I be falling all the time. Like, wow. I be like, you know what? Why am I? If I be sliding down the stairs, I be like,
You need to slow down.
Start sliding.
Oh, how you doing?
Hey, baby.
Right, I didn't know that was the color.
You know, I didn't because I saw they.
Taking off the layers, child. As you can see, the sun is coming out the jacket. I'm gonna keep the pants on just in case, because these pants are hard to get on. We outside for Yamz.
So those who ride your motorcycle, you might want to go to that. And I pull out all
You gonna pull your car out? I gotta get in front of y'all.